India says no to single-use plastics. On an average, a plastic bag is used for just 12 minutes before it is discarded. Single-use plastic products are used just once before they are thrown away. We know that plastic is non-biodegradable, which means it will remain on Earth forever. In just about a minute, 1 million plastic bottles are purchased around the world. How many of these do you think get recycled? Just 7%. To save our environment and future, many countries have banned single-use plastics. These include UK, Canada, Australia, Morocco, New Zealand, Kenya, and Taiwan. In India, cities like Mumbai and Delhi have also banned single-use plastic. In his Independence Day speech, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi told the nation that India is aiming to get rid of all single-use plastic by 2022. Did you know? Recently, a trash mountain in New Delhi was found to be almost as tall as the Taj Mahal. Here are some ways you can help reduce plastic pollution. Carry your own bottles and stop buying plastic bottles. Say no to plastic straws for milkshakes and juices. Carry a bag when you go shopping and say no to plastic bags.